Hey guys, it's me, Elena here, back with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I got a package. And so, yeah. It's huge. The box has holes on it. There's another box inside. I'm nervous. Let's get started. A lot of ink. Easy on. Yeah, there is another. Did you see that? My pants got stuck. Okay, so, first thing I see is this. This is what I see. I see these two notes. Okay, so the first one has a cute spider drawing with my name. It says, "Thanks for buying from Slime Lover _203. And she just went out of business, which is extremely sad. And so, yeah. And then the next one is like the receipt, I think. Yeah, it's the receipt. This is what I ordered. I ordered New Year's Eve slime, $10. Clear pink glitter slime, $5. Red glitter slime, red glitter slime, $3. Gold and silver glitter slime, $13. Glitter, $1. Glue, $2. Green crystal beads, $6. Container, $4. Extras. And contact if anything is wrong. Yeah. So I'm going to keep this one right here. And let's move on to this box. Okay, so I am going to not look at anything in this box. I'm going to put it right here. So the first... Okay, this box is quite heavy. So the first thing I pull out of this box is this cute homemade pillow. Okay. My dad showed me this. We have one, but it's my parents'. This was made in 2008, and as you can tell, I'm happy because I was born in 2008, and they actually said this was made right when I was born, so November 27th, 2008. November 27th, 2008. So, yeah. Okay, so I guess this is the extra box. Yeah, because I never ordered any of these. A LOL doll sister, and some gloves. That was in this. So yeah, those were some pretty cool extras. I actually like them a lot, especially this one because I get to share my birthday with it. Yeah. So let me set this box on my bed. I don't think I want to see it. There. I'm trying to keep it over here so I can show you the slime. Let's keep it like this. Okay, so I'm going to put this tape right here in the box. No. Okay, so the first thing that I pull out of this box is this pretty pink glitter slime. I mean purple. Oh yeah, it's pink. I was supposed to have it purple. Yeah, this is purple. She mistaked it, I think. Yeah, because this is purple glitter, not pink. Yeah, she totally messed up on the other note, on this note, because I did order purple, not pink, and this is purple, so at least the slime is still purple. It's extremely pretty, stretchy, and it's not clear because I've been, she said that she added lotion, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna grab this pencil so I know I got it. Okay, so this is like that was $5 and I actually got it. Next thing I pull out is my gold and silver slime. And this was $13 and I still got it. I didn't want any specific sizes. I just wanted anything that she had. That was semi-cheap. So yeah, and I'm extremely lucky so far. None of these leaked. So yeah. So far, so good. Next thing that I pull out is my New Year's Eve slime. And yeah, and she did use this crystal beads. And hold on, let me grab one because I do want to show you what they look like. What I was talking about, the beads. This. I'm supposed to get a bag of them. And these containers are so secure, look. As you can tell, they're extremely noisy. I don't really care about that though. So, good. And that was $10. And so far, I'm not getting scammed. Okay, so this is my red one. Okay. It's extremely pretty. It has red glitter in it. Sorry guys, I was...
And I'm Elena's dad. Yeah! You making a video?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
There's my dad. So yeah, there's my red one.
Who made that slime possible?
Not... Sorry guys, I had to explain to him who made the slime. So yeah, I'm going to cross off that, and this was $3. So yeah. And now for other things. Okay, so this is what I pulled out. My container, which was $4. It still works. There's no broken spots. There's no dirt on it. Yeah, there's no dirt on it, so that was $4. And I got it. This package has been going so wonderful. I mean, so good, wonderful, whatever. Oh, yay. Okay, so I did get the beads. As you can tell, extremely pretty. Hold on, let me hold one from the bag. From the bag. Or bag, whatever. They're teal beads. She said they were green. So yeah, that's still what I ordered. Which was $6. Next thing is, okay, so she didn't have any more PVA glue because she used it for her slime, but she did give me this one, and she said all her slimes were made with this and all the other ones, and that she made but nobody bought them. So yeah, she used this glue for mine. So yeah, and the glue was $2, and so far I just need to have my glitter. So I don't want to see. So this is my glitter. This is my glitter. And okay, so she put tape on it so it doesn't spill. This was okay, so it does say the price on it. She did use the glitter for those slimes that I had glittered, and this was $1. And the colors that is in it is red, silver, gold, purple, green, and blue. So yeah, nothing was wrong. So yeah. So guys, this was a spoof. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and because I have a video that was from this, but it was a fake package. And if I didn't tell you guys that and the other video, I am extremely sorry. This thing is mine. Hold on. Slime lover underscore 203 never went out of business, and I've never bought from a actual person before, and this is fake. I did all of this, I planned this, and yeah, if there is a person with a account named slime lover underscore 203, I'm extremely sorry. And yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment what videos you want me to do down below. So bye, love you guys.